Metronet's all-fiber network is fast and reasonably priced. We think Metronet is a great option for your next ISP. That is, if you're living in the right area. I'm Riley with Switchful, and let's dive in. We rank our internet service providers on value, performance, equipment and installation, and customer experience. First, value. Metronet offers a good value overall, especially with the 1 gig plan, which actually starts out at a lower price than most competitors. Usually, smaller regional providers sometimes suffer in the value department. However, this isn't the case when it comes to Metronet. You will see the standard price hikes after 6 to 24 months, but the lack of equipment fees will make up for this. Next, performance. Metronet's performance is great. There are plans that range from 100 megabits per second to 1 gigabit per second, with all plans being fiber. That means your upload and download speeds will be symmetrical. These speeds are fantastic for content creators, streamers, online gamers, and anyone who shares a lot of large files. On top of that, there are no data caps. Most fiber plans do offer 2 gig to 5 gig plans. However, we don't necessarily think that anyone needs to pay for that much speed. Metronet's 1 gig plan will be plenty of speed for anyone's needs. Equipment and installation. Metronet provides all equipment needed to get started, free of charge. This includes an Eero wireless router, so you can get online quickly. With competitors, you can expect to see an average of $10 to $15 per month for routers and other equipment. If you live in a larger home, you can also have the option to add Metronet's wireless extender for around $10 a month. However, this isn't always necessary. For installation, Metronet will charge around $25 versus the competitor's average charge of around $50 to $100. Now, we would prefer free installation, but we'll take what we can get. Now, if you sign up for automatic billing, you can get around that $25 charge. Our only complaint here is the lack of self-installation options, so expect to set aside 2 to 4 hours for a tech to come by for professional installation. Lastly, customer experience. Metronet claims 24-hour local support, and customers seem to be generally satisfied with the service. One issue we see is the mandatory technology service fee of around $10 a month. This kind of cancels out the free equipment each month. Metronet claims that this is to cover costs of service calls, tech appointments, and equipment maintenance. We haven't seen this type of charge from any other companies, so we've got mixed feelings. We've also seen some complaints from customers who feel like they were being charged more than the advertised price. However, we felt like the website did lay out the fees pretty clearly, so just make sure to read the fine print. We gave Metronet a ranking of 4.2 stars, while customers gave it a rating of 4.3 stars. So, what are your thoughts? Is Metronet the right provider for you? Let us know in the comments below. If you want to learn more about Metronet or other internet service providers, hit that subscribe button or check us out at switchful.com. We'll see you next time.